Good luck on your winner take all. 1,300 meters is the distance. All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Tobacco from the outside, rushing up gun with the wind. Bahala na. Also moving a Statuesque. Be Nice. It's now Statuesque. Be Nice by the rail. Bahala na. Gun with the wind on the outside. It's Be Nice. Statuesque on the outside. Running by the rail is Gun with the wind. Bahala na. Hot Taste. Racing on the outside is So Gorgeous. Tobacco. Entry number 1, Lake Kisway. Alongside is entry number 2, Mama Zung. Panamera also moving up. Swing Boat. Mama Zung, Midnight Bell, and Apo Papato running at the tail of the field. Be Nice by Haparan. Statuesque. Racing on the outside and running in third by about 5 lengths is Gun with the Wind as they race the final corner. Be Nice by about 2 lengths. Statuesque. Down on the inside is Gun with the Wind. On the far outside is Tobacco and So Gorgeous, but Be Nice by about 5 lengths now, followed by Statuesque. On the outside is Tobacco, Panamera, and nearing the finish line. Entry number 5, Be Nice. And finally, Be Nice. Statuesque, Tobacco, Panamera, So Gorgeous, Midnight Bell, Swing Boat.